sequence of donning of personal protective equipment, PPE. Step 1. Remove all personal items, for example, jewelry, watches, cell phone, and pens. Step 2. Wear a scrub suit in changing room, including protective shoe cover or medical clog and cap. Ensure hair and earlobes are well covered. Step 3. Perform hand rub. Apply a palmful of the sanitizer in a cupped hand. Dip all fingers into the solution. Pour the remaining solution into opposite palm and repeat step with the opposite hand. Rub hands palm to palm. Right hand palm over left dorsum with interlaced fingers and vice versa. Palm to palm with fingers interlaced. Back of fingers to opposing palms with fingers interlocked. Rotational rubbing of left thumb clasped in right palm and vice versa. Step 4. Wear a pair of boot covers. You may lean against the wall to stabilize yourself. The boot cover is only indicated when spillage or vomiting is anticipated. Step 5. Perform hand rub. Step 6. Put on a surgical N95 mask. Pull the top strap over your head, resting it high at the back of your head. Pull the bottom strap over your head and position it below the ears. Place fingertips of both hands at the top of the nose piece around your nose to achieve a secure seal. Place both hands completely over the middle panel and perform seal check. Step 7. Wear a head cover from chin upwards. Step 8. Put on an eye protection, such as face shield or goggles, and adjust to fit comfortably. Step 9. Wear an isolation gown which is fluid resistant and long sleeved. Ensure full coverage of torso from neck to knees and wrap around the back. Fasten the strap at the back, around the neck and waist. 10. Put on a pair of gloves. Extend gloves over isolation gown cuffs. This is the complete donning of PPE. Sequence of doffing of PPE. Step 1. Remove gloves. Pinch the outside of glove with opposite gloved hand and peel off. Hold the removed glove in gloved hand. Slide fingers of ungloved hand under the remaining glove from the wrist. Step 2. Perform hand rub. Step 3. Remove isolation gown. Pull gown away from neck and shoulder. Fold the gown inside out. Step 4. Perform hand rub. Step 5. Remove face shield. Grasp elastic band and remove forward. Step 6. Perform hand rub. Step 7. Remove head cover from back to the front, folding it inside out. Step 8. Perform hand rub. Step 9. Remove surgical N95 mask. Grasp the elastic bands and remove from the back to the front. Step 10. Perform hand rub. Step 11. Remove boot cover from the back. Step 12. Perform hand rub. This is the complete doffing of PPE.